Let's explore the automotive history as we delve into the captivating tale of the 1965 Pontiac GTO Royal Bobcat. This iconic muscle car not only defined an era, but also set the stage for high-performance vehicles that followed. We invite you to join our community, where enthusiasts and experts alike share insights, stories, and a passion for classic automobiles. In the mid-1960s, Pontiac revolutionized the automotive world with the introduction of the GTO, a model that many consider the first true muscle car. The 1965 GTO, in particular, stood out with its aggressive styling and powerful performance. However, it was the collaboration with Royal Pontiac, a dealership in Michigan, that elevated the GTO to legendary status. By offering the Royal Bobcat performance package, Royal Pontiac transformed the GTO into a formidable street machine, capable of outperforming many competitors of its time. The Royal Bobcat package included several modifications designed to maximize the GTO's performance. These enhancements typically featured carburetor recalibration. Adjustments were made to optimize fuel delivery, resulting in improved throttle response and acceleration. These modifications collectively transformed the GTO into a high-performance vehicle that could rival and often surpass its contemporaries. Today, the 1965 Pontiac GTO Royal Bobcat holds a revered place among classic car enthusiasts and collectors. Its value varies based on factors such as condition, originality, and provenance. As of recent assessments, concours quality examples, pristine models, often meticulously restored or preserved, can command prices upwards of $70,000. These vehicles showcase the GTO in its original glory, reflecting the craftsmanship and attention to detail of the era. Well-maintained drivers, vehicles in good condition, suitable for regular use, typically range between $50,000 to $60,000. These cars offer a balance between collectability and drivability, allowing owners to experience the thrill of classic motoring. Project cars, GTOs requiring restoration or significant work, can be found in the $30,000 to $40,000 range. These present opportunities for enthusiasts to embark on restoration projects, bringing these iconic machines back to life. It's noteworthy that a 1965 Pontiac GTO Royal Bobcat was recently listed with an asking price of $84,900, highlighting the model's desirability and investment potential. The 1965 Pontiac GTO Royal Bobcat stands as a testament to an era when American ingenuity and passion for performance converged to create an automotive icon. Its blend of style, power, and cultural significance continues to captivate enthusiasts worldwide. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a curious newcomer, the story of the GTO Royal Bobcat offers inspiration and a deeper appreciation for the golden age of muscle cars. Join us as we honor this legacy and explore the enduring allure of classic automobiles.